Hello everyone, I'm Rodolphe, co-founder of VitaminAI. Today I want to walk you through one of the most important steps in using our tool, setting up your knowledge bases. Don't worry, it's simpler than it sounds, and trust me, it's the key to unlocking the full potential of VitaminAI. Let's dive in. VitaminAI is your smart assistant. It can answer questions, generate custom content, and provide precise information for your team or clients. But here's the catch. It needs the right data to work its magic. That's where the knowledge base comes in. It centralizes all the essential data VitaminAI needs to operate efficiently. When your knowledge base is well organized, you and your team save valuable time, mistakes are minimized, and the user experience becomes seamless. Sounds good? Let's set up your first knowledge base. To start, you'll first need to create your organization. This is where all your knowledge bases will live. If you're an agency, I recommend creating one organization per client. Once that's done, go ahead and add your first knowledge base. Let's call it public info. Here's what you'll want to include. Your website link, using the scrape website option set to 2 levels. Descriptive texts, company values, goals, positioning, and FAQs. Presentation documents, PowerPoint slides, PDFs, or brochures you share with clients. In just 5 minutes, VitaminAI will be up to speed on all the public-facing information about your company. Now let's go a step further and set up an internal knowledge base, which we'll call HR Info. This is perfect for helping your team access key details without relying on the HR department. For example, you can manually add your company's public holidays building opening hours and upload documents like your CSR strategy or a welcome brochure. With this setup, you can even create internal chatbots for your team, accessible directly through platforms like WhatsApp. But that's a topic for another video. And there you have it. You now have everything you need to set up your first knowledge bases with VitaminAI. Take the time to structure your data properly, and you'll be amazed at how efficiently the tool works for you. Remember, these knowledge bases can now be used across all the tools in VitaminAI. Tomorrow I'll show you how to create meeting reports in seconds. Until then, have fun exploring VitaminAI. See you tomorrow.